Hey there, life hackers. Welcome to 5 Pro Hacks, your ultimate source for quick, smart, and professional tips to make your life easier, healthier, and more productive. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home, improve your health, or save time, we've got you covered with simple, effective hacks that you can use right away. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Let's get hacking. 1. Healthy hydration hack. Stay hydrated, stay energized. Hey, life hackers. Did you know that staying hydrated can make a huge difference in how you feel every day? Here's a simple hack. Keep a reusable water bottle by your side, and set reminders on your phone to drink water every hour. A great tip. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber to your water to boost flavor and metabolism. Trust me, it's a game changer. Hydration equals better energy, clearer skin, and even improved digestion. So, drink up and keep thriving. 2. Quick and easy healthy snack hack. Snack smarter, not harder. Let's talk healthy snacks. Instead of reaching for chips or sugary treats, try this pro hack. Pre-portion your snacks into small containers, like nuts, fruit slices, or veggies with hummus, so you can grab them easily when hunger strikes. It helps you avoid overeating and keeps your energy up throughout the day. Plus, you can customize them to your taste, and they're perfect for on the go. Snack smarter, stay healthy. 3. Supercharged morning routine hack. Kickstart your day with energy. Want to start your day off right? Here's a quick hack for a supercharged morning. Start with a glass of water first thing after you wake up. Then, add a 5-minute stretch or quick walk outside to get your blood flowing. Not only will this boost your energy and mood, but it also helps your metabolism kick into gear. This little routine can set the tone for a productive and healthy day. Give it a try tomorrow morning. 4. Stress relief breathing hack. Breathe your way to calmness. Feeling stressed? Here's a simple hack to reset your mind. Practice the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. It's a quick and effective way to calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and bring your stress levels down in just a few minutes. Try it next time you're feeling overwhelmed, and see how it works wonders for your mood. 5. Natural energy boost hack. Boost your energy without caffeine. Need a natural energy boost without reaching for that cup of coffee? Try this simple hack. Start your day with a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think avocado on whole grain toast with a boiled egg or a smoothie with spinach, protein powder, and berries. This combination will give you lasting energy throughout the morning, without the crash. Plus, don't forget to get some sunlight to reset your body's internal clock. So, fuel up with the right foods, and let your body power up naturally. Thanks for watching, life hackers. We hope these tips help you live smarter and healthier every day. If you enjoyed today's hacks, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share with your friends.